All right, so to laser cutter design, we'll first open up Safari and go to glowforge.com. As shown right there. Make sure you spell it correctly. Press go. Now you're gonna have to sign in. Your screen might look slightly different than mine, so look for sign in. For me, I'm gonna hit these three lines in the upper right hand corner and click on sign in. The password, username and password is written on the board. You are not going to use your email. You're going to type my email, ahebert@ridge, notice I didn't type rebels, ridgenet.org. Okay. The password is also written on the board. It's glow, Glow, 1111. Again, it's written on the board. And then you can press sign in. Again, do not use your own email, use mine. Now you're going to click on create a new design on the upper left hand corner. You will select upload a file and choose file. Okay, and that should take you to your files app. You might have to navigate to the correct folder on my iPad where you saved your engineering physics folder. Go ahead and open that up, your engineering physics folder, and select your cut file. Okay, notice on the left side it says I've got what looks like just a line and then a dark filled in line. The dark one I don't want. So if you have that, click on enter settings, and then where it says engrave, cut, score, ignore, click on ignore. Then go to the line that you want to cut, press enter settings, and then we have to select between engrave, cut, score, ignore. We're going to select cut. Now underneath custom, if you tap or hold your finger, you'll see a little arrow to the right. Go ahead and click on that little arrow. And then the cut settings should be full power, so you might have to toggle it to full power. And the speed for cutting through the wood is going to be 170. Do not click back. There's a little word that says back to the upper left hand corner. Don't click on that. Simply tap where you see the wood in the photograph. Okay, and then you can see a red line to indicate where it will be cut, and your settings should say 170 full 1x. 1x means one pass. Now, make sure there's a piece of wood in the machine. If you need to move the cut, tap on the red line and drag your finger so that the cut is where there is an available piece of wood. Now we need to insert the score file. So on the top of your screen you'll see a plus sign with a circle around it right here. Okay, import artwork. Click on that plus sign. On the upper right hand corner, click upload. Choose file. And navigate to your engineering physics folder and select, right, on my iPad, it might be there by default, your score file. Be patient. All right, now I made a mistake. There's something I don't want on here. So I'm going to tap on the side of the highlighted box. Then I'm going to tap that little house. And then I'm going to press and hold and select cut because I don't actually want that part of the design. Now I'm going to tap on my score and I'm going to drag it to the correct spot. Notice my name got left behind. If you want everything to drag together, you can actually use your finger, tap on the side. Okay, and now I'm going to hold my finger in the upper left hand corner and drag and highlight everything that I want to move together. and it's going to grab the letters and the basketball score. And I'm going to drag it into position as best I can. It's okay if it overlaps a little bit with the cut. That's fine. Okay, we're just, we're not being perfect here, right? If you want to zoom in, you can change the percentage of what you're looking at. If you want to pan, there's a pan tool. If you click on the 3 dots right here. Oh, I don't see the pan tool. Well, if you try to navigate over, well, let's just stick with 100% for now, so you can see the whole screen. All right, I'm going to tap once in the white space. Now, I need to put in my score settings. So on the left side where it says Enter Settings, underneath the Andrew in the basketball drawing, I'm going to select not cut, but score. Okay, and then I'm going to click under Manual. I'm going to click the little arrow next to it, and then I'm going to go full power, but your speed should be around 500 for the score. Okay, again, don't click on back, just tap on the piece of wood in the photo. And now you can see on the left-hand side, my score settings are 500 full 1x, and my cut settings are 170 full 1x. For material, on the upper left-hand corner, you see a gray box that says Unknown Material, right here. Go ahead and select it, and then just select Medium Ash Hardwood, the top selection. And then, in the upper right-hand corner, if you click on the drop-down arrow, you'll see I'm currently on Glowforge 2. If for some reason you are on the wrong machine, notice the only Glowforge 2 is ready right now. I'm going to select a Glowforge 3 to show you. The camera for Glowforge 3 is going to show me something different. Okay, you want to make sure you select the Glowforge that you put your piece of wood in. So I'm going to go back to Glowforge 2. Okay, looks like my cut is a little bit off center, so I might tap and try to adjust, but adjust it as best you can. At this point, you're going to turn on the filter that's on the floor. It's going to make a loud noise as the motor turns on, and then you're going to press print in the upper right hand corner. When the light starts blinking on the machine, press the button on the machine and your print will start. When your print is finished, turn off the fan and take out your piece of wood.